Hello there! Today we're going to show you how to best use your Viridescent vacuum storage bags. Select the right size bag for your items and make sure all items are clean and completely dry before packing. It is also important to clear an area before packing your vacuum storage bags. Make sure any zips are tucked away. You do not want to expose your bag to anything that may puncture the plastic. Lie your bag flat with the valve on top. To open the zip seals, simply pull apart the seals from the middle of the bag and work your way to the ends until it is completely open. Slide your items into the bag, leaving 5 to 10 centimeters of space at the zip seal end. Be careful not to overfill the bag. Starting at one end, firmly grasp the plastic slider using your thumb and index finger. Adding pressure, slowly run the slider along the entire length of the zip seals. Then slide in the opposite direction. Make sure you repeat this a few times, sliding back and forwards over the entire length of the zip seals. Now you need to make sure the seals are fully engaged so that no air can seep out. This is very important. Remove the plastic slider. Place one of the zip seals between your thumb and index finger. Then slide along the seal, adding pressure. Make sure the seal is clicked into place. Do this with each seal in both directions. To properly check the seal is engaged, run your thumb and index finger across the seal again, but without applying pressure. It may help to move your thumb and index finger in opposite directions to see or feel if there are any areas where the seals have not clicked into place. If so, click the seals into place. You can do both seals at the same time. Now you are ready to vacuum the air out of the bag. Remove the plastic cap from the valve, leaving the small red disc inside. Place the vacuum hose or pump nozzle over the valve and remove the air. Once the air has been removed, screw the plastic cap on tightly in a clockwise direction. Please note that if you're using these bags for items with down feathers, then it is recommended to compress the item to half its original size so that you do not damage the feathers. You are now ready to store your items. You can place the plastic slider in the middle of the zip seal for storage or store separately if you wish. Be careful not to store your bags near sharp objects or intense heat or light, as this may damage the plastic and cause leakages. Please also remember that these bags are not designed to store food, leather or fur items. When you want to remove your items, simply peel open the zip seals from the middle. Allow the air to flow in again and remove your items from the bag. You can reuse your bags over and over again. Thank you for purchasing our Viridescent vacuum storage bags. We hope you have found this helpful. If you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact us on contact@viridescent.org or visit our website at www.viridescent.org.